Hello, and hope you're doing well. On this video we're gonna take a look at Home Dynamix Bazaar Neutral Beige area rug, and this area rug is 7 feet 10 inches by 10 feet and 2 inches. Let's take a look further. It comes with two different plastic bags. Match the number 42 to sticker. I think they have different sets, so number 42 is perhaps the color, so you can match it with a smaller rug. I've taken both of the plastic bags that it comes in, and this is what it looks like so far. And now the last thing that's holding it together is this plastic wrap. Now I've taken all the plastic wrap, and as you can see it does say the same thing, match with number 42. Available in sizes 5.2 times 7.2 or 7.10 by 10.2, which is this one. And I can feel the bottom has a little bit of cushion, and it feels as like a rubber in the back, so it doesn't slide around. This feels smooth. This one's a little more rough. And this rug is going under the bed partially, just like the picture that they have on the description, and I'll put the picture on the review as well. So this is cotton, and this is 100% jute base. The one thing that I don't like so far is that there is a smell of the carpet, and I should have let it sit outside or maybe in the sunroom so the odor can leave before putting it here, but kind of late. I put it already under the bed. It does look nice, and it does feel comfortable. It's not too thick, so what I like about this carpet is that it's not gonna hold a lot of dirt or dust. This is one way of installing the carpet. Under the bed and a path in front of it. Hopefully this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.